KRTX, or Karuna Therapeutics Inc., is a biopharmaceutical company that focuses on the development of innovative therapies for neuropsychiatric disorders. The company has gained attention and seen an increase in its stock value due to several factors, including its promising drug pipeline, potential market opportunities, and positive clinical trial results. In this detailed explanation, we will explore these factors and provide a comprehensive analysis of why KRTX stock is considered valuable. 1. Introduction to Karuna Therapeutics. Karuna Therapeutics is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company founded in 2009 and headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts. The company is primarily focused on developing novel therapies for neuropsychiatric disorders, which include schizophrenia, Alzheimer's disease, and pain-related conditions. 2. Neuropsychiatric disorders and the market opportunity. Neuropsychiatric disorders affect millions of people worldwide and impose a significant burden on individuals, families, and society as a whole. Conditions like schizophrenia and Alzheimer's disease have limited treatment options, and there is a growing need for effective and targeted therapies. Karuna Therapeutics recognizes this market opportunity and aims to address the unmet medical needs in neuropsychiatric disorders. By developing innovative treatments, the company has the potential to capture a substantial share of the market, leading to significant revenue generation and increased stock value. 3. Lead drug candidate, KRTX. Karuna Therapeutics' lead drug candidate is KRTX, a proprietary oral modulator of muscarinic receptors. KRTX combines xanomeline, a selective muscarinic agonist, with trospium chloride, an FDA-approved muscarinic antagonist. The combination of xanomeline and trospium chloride in KRTX provides a unique mechanism of action that targets both muscarinic agonism and antagonism. This approach aims to enhance the therapeutic benefits while minimizing the side effects typically associated with muscarinic agonists alone. 4. Mechanism of action and potential benefits. KRTX's mechanism of action involves the activation of muscarinic receptors in specific brain regions, leading to enhanced cognition and improvements in symptoms associated with neuropsychiatric disorders. By simultaneously blocking peripheral muscarinic receptors, trospium chloride reduces unwanted side effects such as gastrointestinal disturbances. The potential benefits of KRTX are significant, as it addresses the limitations of current treatment options for neuropsychiatric disorders. For instance, in schizophrenia, the positive symptoms, e.g., hallucinations, delusions, are relatively well controlled by existing medications, but negative symptoms, e.g., social withdrawal, cognitive impairments, remain challenging to treat. KRTX's unique mechanism of action targets these negative symptoms, providing hope for improved patient outcomes. 5. Clinical trial results. Karuna Therapeutics has conducted several clinical trials to evaluate the safety and efficacy of KRTX in patients with schizophrenia and Alzheimer's disease. Notably, the results of these trials have been encouraging, further contributing to the value of KRTX stock. In a Phase 2 clinical trial for schizophrenia, KRTX demonstrated statistically significant improvements in the PANSS, Positive and Negative Syndrome Scale, total score compared to placebo. The PANSS is a widely accepted scale used to assess the severity of symptoms in patients with schizophrenia. The positive outcome of this trial suggests the potential of KRTX as a novel treatment option for schizophrenia. Similarly, in a Phase 1b trial for Alzheimer's disease, KRTX showed improvements in cognitive performance, as measured by the Alzheimer's Disease Assessment Scale Cognitive Subscale, ADAS-COG. These positive results provide a strong foundation for further investigation of KRTX's efficacy in Alzheimer's disease and its potential to address the cognitive impairments associated with the condition. 6. Market potential and competitive landscape. The market potential for Karuna Therapeutics drug candidates is substantial, given the prevalence and impact of neuropsychiatric disorders. Schizophrenia affects approximately 1% of the global population, while Alzheimer's disease affects millions of individuals worldwide. With limited treatment options available, the demand for effective therapies is high. In terms of competition, Karuna Therapeutics is not the only company targeting neuropsychiatric disorders. However, the unique mechanism of action of KRTX sets it apart from existing treatments and positions it as a potential breakthrough therapy. If approved, KRTX could capture a significant market share and generate substantial revenue for the company, leading to increased stock value. 7. Regulatory considerations and intellectual property. To bring its drug candidates to market, Karuna Therapeutics must navigate the regulatory process. The company will need to demonstrate the safety and efficacy of KRTX through extensive clinical trials, as per the requirements of regulatory authorities such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Additionally, intellectual property protection is crucial for the long-term success of Karuna Therapeutics. The company has obtained patents covering the composition, formulation, and methods of use for KRTX, providing a competitive advantage and safeguarding its market exclusivity. 8. Business development and collaborations. Karuna Therapeutics has actively pursued collaborations and partnerships to further advance its drug development programs. Strategic collaborations can provide access to additional resources, expertise, and funding, which can significantly benefit the company's pipeline and increase the value of its stock. For instance, Karuna Therapeutics entered into a partnership with Biogen, a leading biotechnology company specializing in neuroscience research and therapeutics. The collaboration aims to develop and commercialize KRTX for the treatment of schizophrenia and potentially other neuropsychiatric disorders. Such partnerships enhance the credibility of Karuna Therapeutics and add further value to its stock. 9. Financial performance and funding. The financial performance of Karuna Therapeutics is another crucial factor contributing to the value of its stock. Positive financial indicators, such as strong revenue growth, increasing net income, and effective cost management, can attract investors and drive up stock prices. Additionally, the company's ability to secure funding through various channels, including equity offerings, partnerships, and grants, demonstrates investor confidence in its potential. Adequate funding is essential for conducting clinical trials, advancing drug development programs, and expanding the company's operations. 10. Future outlook and potential risks. Looking ahead, Karuna Therapeutics has a promising future. The clinical trial results for KRTX have been encouraging, positioning the drug as a potential game changer in the treatment of neuropsychiatric disorders. The company's pipeline also includes other drug candidates in preclinical stages, indicating a commitment to ongoing innovation and growth. However, it is important to acknowledge the potential risks associated with investing in biopharmaceutical companies like Karuna Therapeutics. These risks include the uncertainty of clinical trial outcomes, regulatory challenges, competition from other companies, and the possibility of unforeseen safety issues or side effects arising during further development or commercialization. Investors should carefully evaluate these risks and conduct thorough due diligence before making investment decisions. Consulting with a financial advisor or conducting independent research can provide valuable insights into the investment potential of KRTX stock. In conclusion, the value of KRTX stock stems from Karuna Therapeutics' innovative approach to developing therapies for neuropsychiatric disorders. The promising clinical trial results, potential market opportunities, strategic collaborations, and sound financial performance all contribute to the positive outlook for the company. However, investors must consider the inherent risks associated with biopharmaceutical investments and make informed decisions based on their risk tolerance and investment objectives.